Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ikoy Sichon.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a joy to see familiar and new faces here today. Your presence means the world to me, and I am beyond grateful for the warm reception of my new collection. Recently, in an interview, I was asked why I named this exhibit Florian Soul. You see, it's a made-up word, one that you won't find in any dictionary. It stems from Florian, meaning flowers, and soul, a fusion that embodies the essence of this collection, the blooming of my spirit. This journey took roughly 6 months. 6 months of experimenting, pushing limits, and discovering new artistic expressions. After my last exhibit in August, I found myself gravitating toward new textures, clay, paste, materials I had never really explored before. I've always been the kind of person who refuses to stay within the confines of comfort. Monotony bores me. I believe that as artists, we must constantly evolve, and in that evolution, we rediscover parts of ourselves we never knew existed. At 40, yes, I'm 40, art has redefined my life. It has led me to uncover hidden layers of my being. Each stroke, sculpted form, carries fragments of my soul. In every hue I create, whether soft, neutral, bold, or dark, I find joy manifesting in the form of flowers, my forever muses. And just as they bloom freely and burdened by how the world perceives them, I too have embraced my own growth without restraint. Art is deeply personal, yet it has a way of transcending individuality.